We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 Ram ProMaster cutaway van, stock number 28512T. This is a Ram 3500 cutaway that we've put a service body on from Bay Bridge. A little bit about the vehicle itself. It is a front wheel drive 3.6 Pentastar automatic transmission. We've got the steel wheels on this. Of course, on a Ram ProMaster, part of the system is that, you know, if you do have any kind of accident or anything, the bumper and front structure is done in pieces, so it's not like you have to replace the whole thing. The turning radius on these vehicles is very short. Nice vehicle for delivery vehicles. I do have it equipped with the cloth seats, speed control, AM/FM radio, hands-free communication for your telephone. It does have the wide mirrors on it. These are just manual mirrors, but they're the extra wide ones to give you more visibility. What we've got here is a box truck, and this is a 12-foot by 6.6-inch box truck. And it's what's called a sheet and post. On this one I did not put the ramp on. Some people just need to pull up to a dock and load. As we look inside, you know, it is a 12 feet by 6.6, and this is put together with the shiplap dense pine floor, insulated roof, insulated walls. We've got the interior dome light that's got a switch in the back, your tie down, 4 tie downs on each side, and of course we got the bulkhead in the back. As I step up into this, I'm 6'1". I clear the door as it comes up, so you've got just a tad over 6 foot clearance with the door open. Very nice structure, really put together well. We've used this company for a few years now. Got my bulkhead door goes into the cab. It's locked from the inside right now, so I can't open that. This would be an ideal application to put some E-track on it, whatever you need. Load skids in this. It's a great vehicle for expediting things. Once again, this whole back end could be reconfigured somewhat, you know, if you were looking at a different application. On some of them I have, as you can see, put the roll-up ramp on. So again, this is a Ram ProMaster chassis, actually a cutaway chassis that we've had a box put on it. 3.6 Pentastar engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, and of course we've put cruise control on it. This is just one of the many commercial vehicles we have here at Sherry Chrysler. We're located in Piqua, Ohio. The stock number on this is 28512T. For more information on this truck or other commercial vehicles that we have here at Sherry Chrysler, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.